What's up, everybody? It's Bobby again here at ThunderMax Tech Support. Today we're going to be going over a neat little feature called Vehicle Hold Control / Hill Assist. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Hill Assist, also known as Vehicle Hold Control. And I'm going to be honest with you, when I first heard about this, I was a little hesitant. I thought it was just a cheap little gimmicky thing for Harley to, market and sell to people. But after riding some of our bikes around here with it on there, it's actually pretty handy. It's kind of like when you complain about all these modern vehicles having all these modern amenities and how you'll never use them, but once you start using them, you never go back. So in order to use and enable the Vehicle Hill Control / Hill Assist, your bike's got to be equipped with a factory jiffy stand switch, also known as a kickstand switch. So if your bike doesn't have this switch, you can go to your local dealer, tell them what bike you have, and they can get you the part number. That way you can install this switch on your bike. So you got the switch installed on your bike, or your bike came factory with it, and you want to be able to utilize that function on your bike. What you're going to do is in the software, you're going to go to Module Configuration, Basic Settings, scroll over to the right. You're going to see Kickstand Enable. Select it. You're going to change that value from 0 to 1, and you're going to write the settings. Remember, anytime you make a change, whether it be in basic settings or to your tuning maps, you're always going to want to write those settings to make sure that they take hold. So once you've got that done, you have wrote the settings. Now your bike's got vehicle hold control. So next time you're at a stoplight, it's going to be a long stoplight, you can enable that vehicle hold control and just kind of sit there hands-free and not have to worry about your bike rolling back or forward into oncoming traffic. All right, so now you know how to enable the hold control. If you have any more questions, make sure you contact us here at ThunderMax Tech Support.